Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to get frame in Capcut. Open Capcut, import your clip, and tap Overlay to add a frame layer. Next, choose a PNG or built-in frame preset, then align and scale the frame precisely. Use keyframes to animate the frame if needed, and apply mask tools for rounded corners. Finally, export with original resolution for best quality and review playback to confirm timing. Create a transparent PNG at your video resolution and import it into Capcut as an overlay. Position and scale the frame, then use the mask and border tools to refine edges and add a subtle stroke. If you want an animated reveal, use keyframes on scale or position and ease the motion for a natural feel. Play back to check timing and adjust opacity to blend with your footage smoothly. Animate frames using keyframes on position and scale for smooth entrance and exit effects that match your edit. Add easing to make the motion feel natural and sync keyframes with audio beats or scene cuts. Use opacity or mask animations for creative reveals and preview at full speed to confirm alignment. When happy, render a short test clip to verify performance before final export and make any needed timing tweaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.